days is that their parents seem to like them. They think they are charming, cute, funny, delightful little miracles. They are not miracles. They are vermin. They are puke bags. They are vile, repellent, sticky-fingered little snot goblins. And it is my job to crush you, here. I shall destroy you, maggots. I shall put an end to your satanic ways. Because you children are revolting.
Never again will she get the best of me. Never again will she take away my free soul. And we won't forget the day we fought. For the right to be a little bit naughty. Never again the chunky dog slap. When I be fully dead. When the shouted when my mommy said I'm a miracle. Never again will we live behind bars. Never again will we know we are revolting children. Revolting times, we sing revolting songs, using revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting stand. And we'll have a trudge for revolting, we're revolting. We are revolting children, revolting times. We sing revolting songs, using revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting stand. And we'll have a trudge for revolting, we're revolting. We'll become a screaming horde. Take out your music and music and a song. Never again will we be ignored. We'll find out where the jockey starts. For rich pictures on the board. It's not insulting, we're revolting. We can S-P-L-R-E-Y. If it ever was wrong, it's right. Everyone and L-R-T-Y. We're a little bit naughty. So we must stay inside. To be dismayed at the same time. There's nothing that the church won't let us. Take our hammer and it's like you didn't to push us to the door. There's no good going our way. R-E-V-O-L-T-I-N. Revolting time. S-I-N-G. So S-I-N-G. R-E-V-O-L-T-I-N-G. It is too late for you. We are revolting. We are revolting children. Revolting times. We sing revolting songs. Using revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting done. It is too late for you. We are against
Up the jam, Hollywood, just a slam. Yeah, do it for my fans. All I see is flashing cam. Yeah, you ain't what I want. You only doing what you can. I'm in outer space. I don't even think that I'm gonna land. Yeah, pump up the jam. Got the world in my hand. Pump up the jam. That was all in the plan. Yeah, pump up the jam. Shoot the J on your man. Finger roll jelly like jam. Hey, how I end up in Space Jam? Hey, my joint is baby Space Jam. Hey, this is spaceship, not a lamb. Hey, I just crossed over your man. Hey, did it in front of her friends. Hey, why they keep playing my right side when the ball in my left hand? Yeah, why they keep playing my right side when the ball in my left hand? Yeah.
Break it down.
Pump the jam, pump it up while your feet are thumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd are jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party
miks on taevas tähed? Miks on maa peal rohi? Kuhu ööseks läheb kange tuulekohin?
Mina tean, kuid sina asju alles uurid. Oma peene nina raamatusse puurid.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
sa enam mängida neid mänge? Tahan lihtsalt avada oma hinge sulle. Pakkuda, et saaksid kuulda vaid mulle ja mina sulle.
Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. I used to know you look like a movie. You sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad, getting old and made us restless. Oh, I'm so mad, getting old, it makes me reckless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song when we were young.
Ilu ei ole nägu ega kindlat kuju. Ilu on nähtamatu. Ta on tunne ja taju, mis sügaval südames ja vaataja silmades. Ilu on hingetõmmetes. Ilu on elus eneses.
The underdogs are my lions, the silent ones are my choir. The women will be my soldiers, with the weight of life on their shoulders. Drink until you've had enough. I'll drink from your hands. I will be your warrior. I will be your lamb.
teepikk on teil ühine, ent koos käia vaid lühike lõik. Kord mõtled, et oled nii tühine, siis kellegi jaoks oled kõik.
aga aeg astub ikka vaid edasi. tema päralt on maa ja ilm. ja aial ei vaata ta tagasi, aja jälgedes saab neist kord tolm.
Nii lihtne on armude hetke, siis vihastuda, kui see on läinud.
just seepärast oma ajahetkel ma Kiki varul hetki mööda käin.
Let's pretend we're riding on a kite. Let's imagine we're flying through the air. We'll ascend until we're out of sight. Light as paper, we'll soar. Let's be wild up high above the sand. Feel the wind. Enjoy the view and Neverland, floating far from the shore. Some things are meant to be, the tide turning endlessly, the way it takes hold of me. No matter what I do, some things will never die. The promise of who you are, your memories when I am far from you. All my life I've lived for loving you. Let me go now.
I've been here many times. I've had my heart broken. Am I asking for too much? I want more. I want
mitte kedagi peale iseenda. Vahel ei ole rohkemat vajagi.
Hello, my loves. Welcome to a guided meditation by Lavender. I'm happy you made the choice to meditate today and nurture your body, mind, and soul. Let's get into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Now bring your hands together and take a moment for gratitude. Focus on what you have to be grateful for today. I'm grateful for this new day. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful for my loved ones. I'm grateful for the sun, our earth, and the air I breathe. I'm grateful for this moment of peace.
You hold the line when every one of them is giving up and giving in. Tell me, in this house of mine, nothing ever comes without a consequence of cost. Tell me, will the stars align? Will heaven step in? Will it save us from our sin? Will it? 'Cause this house of mine stands strong. That's the price to pay. Leave behind your heart and cast away. Just another product of today. Rather be the hunter than the prey. And you're standing on the edge, face up, 'cause you're a natural. I'm bleeding out of stone. You gotta be so cold to make it this world. Yeah, you're a natural. Living your life alone. You gotta be so cold. Yeah, you're a natural. Deep inside me, I'm fading to black, I'm fading. Took an oath by the blood in my hand, won't break it. I can taste it, the end is upon us, I swear. Gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm bleeding out of stone. You gotta be so cold to make it this world. Yeah, you're a natural. Living your life alone. You gotta be so cold. Yeah, you're a natural.
ma pole ideaalne, aga olen ehtne. Vahel keeruline, enamasti lihtne. Ma pole ilus, aga olen aus. Ma pole vaikus, olen kandev paus. Mul on pead, ma neid ei peida. Ma vahel nukker, kuid meelt ei heida. Olgu hetked, helged hallid, on kõik nad ühtemoodi kallid.
Hesitant when we first met, your confidence, it drew me in, so nervous, a rush I never felt before. These withdrawals, they got me bad, I can't shake off the love we had, I'm struggling, I can feel it taking every part of me. Nothing but a toxic, sick love. Can't you feel the poison in us? It's getting hard to breathe in this smoke. Everything's a mess, I've been broken, choking, cut wide open. Take another hit of your touch, but the high is never enough. I think I've finally hit my low. Time to finally let you go. Think we're getting way too close. I don't wanna overdose. Nothing but a toxic, sick love. Can't you feel the poison in us? It's getting hard to breathe in this smoke. Everything's a mess, I've been broken, choking, cut wide open. Take another hit of your touch, but the high is never enough. I think I finally hit my low. Time to finally let you go. Think we're getting way too close. I don't wanna
Easy. 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 You break the bridle to me, losing control. Easy. Easy. Crush what you're holding slowly and say letting go is easy. Easy.
raske on vabadust kanda. Sest vabadus tähendab maalide mõtlemist, laulude loomist ja viiside viimistlust piinu.
Vabadus tähendab võimete sõltumatust, teadmist oma peaga, tundmist oma südamega ja astumist omal jalgadel.
Teed ja rajad ristuvad, rappa sohu kiskuvad. Vabam oleks lennata, õhku mööda rännata. Tuul ei oota, vihm ei püsi, rahehoog ei luba küsi. Mina ainult vaatan, kogu ilma jaatan.
Just left Wisconsin, where there's cheese enough to start this rat race. But thanks to the
mountain for a big glass of La Dolce Vita. If your tastes run more risque,
Well, then we know a joint is on Bombay. So hang on tight, let's continue. It's time to buy this ticket. So pack up your suitcase, and no worries, have a date. Come out and play by, cruise the world to find your perfect wedding.
things look better from above, so buckle up. Next stop is love.
Timbuktu to Tokyo, from Mozambique to Mexico.
Yeah, jet set is the
Only way to go.
sõbrad, tulge ja istume maha. Mul on ilmatuma aeg.
sellel hetkel just teiega tahan olla koos ja teha üks naer.
Leidkem aega, et kohale tulla. Pole tarvis teil pruukida suud. Võime lihtsalt üksteise jaoks olla, kui on öö, näiteks vaatame kuud.
Mul on alati olnud üks komme igatseda, kui ma teid ei näe. Ja kui mitte täna, siis homme küsin kindlalt, et kuidas teil läheb?
Olen teie jaoks siis, kui on vaja. Ja kui pole, olen ikkagi. Mul on 2 kätt, olen kallistaja. Ja mu laul kõlab lõpuni. Sest nüüd ma tean, et iga päev võin käe teile anda maa. Sest te olete siin ja mina olen ka.